In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom extension for Google Chrome. This is a simple and effective way to make managing your meetings faster and more convenient, especially if you regularly use Zoom for work, school, or online collaboration. To begin, make sure you are using the Google Chrome browser on your computer, since this process works specifically through the Chrome Web Store. Once Chrome is open, create a new tab and go to Google. In the search bar, type Zoom extension and press Enter. This method helps you quickly locate the official extension without needing to remember a direct link. From the search results, look for the Chrome Web Store listing for the Zoom extension. It may appear under a name like Zoom Chrome Extension and is typically published by Zoom Video Communications. It's important to select the official listing to ensure that you're installing a trusted and regularly updated version of the tool. Click on that result to open the extensions page. Here, you'll find useful details such as an overview of its features, screenshots, user ratings, and the permissions it requires. Take a moment to read through the description so you understand how it works. In most cases, the extension allows you to schedule and start meetings directly from your browser. It's also a good idea to review the permissions so you know exactly what access the extension will have. When you're ready to proceed, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation window will appear, showing the permissions once again. This step is designed to keep everything transparent, so take a quick look, and if everything seems fine, click Add Extension to continue. Google Chrome will then download and install the extension in the background. Within a few seconds, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the installation is complete. After that, the Zoom icon may appear in your browser's toolbar near the top right corner. If you don't see it right away, click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon to view all installed extensions, where you can also pin the Zoom extension for easier access. The first time you use it, you may be asked to sign in to your Zoom account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, and once completed, you'll be ready to start or schedule meetings directly from your browser. If you're using a managed device, you might need approval from your administrator before installing extensions. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.